Good morning, everyone. We just caught Coco in the wild. I don't know exactly what she's doing, but take a look. I think she's having a play date with her weights. Kind of like a tea party as a little girl. Just set out all of her weights to just show everyone what she brought.
Okay guys, it's been 2 weeks in the Airstream, and while we're loving it, we wanted to treat ourselves a little bit because we're a little extra, if we're just being honest.
So we just checked in. Our room is right over there.
We're in Santa Fe right now, and we checked into the Four Seasons.
This place is absolutely magical.
But when I checked in, I wanted to show you guys what it's like to stay at a hotel during COVID. We're given this packet, and it is a sanitizing packet with hand sanitizer, face masks, cleaning products. So I felt pretty safe upon check-in. Everyone was wearing a mask, including myself. And then they also gave us this sheet, which is documenting everything that the Four Seasons Resort is doing to Lead with Care, which is their sanitizing program, during the COVID-19 pandemic. So the hotel is at 50% capacity right now, and that is New Mexico rule, state law. And we will keep you updated on what it's like to stay at a hotel during COVID.
But we just learned about one of the coolest things I think I've ever heard of, a Margarita Trail.
Do you think that margaritas are gay because they are so sweet?
Did someone tell you that?
We gotta go check this thing out. And the way we're gonna do it, not driving, with our bikes. So I gotta get our bikes ready, gotta get them out of the truck. This isn't easy, I gotta figure out an easier way to do this to store them, but for now, that's all I got.
So as soon as I checked in at the Four Seasons, they told me about this Margarita Trail where you could bike all around Santa Fe, and the app will alert you when you're close to a margarita. So I downloaded this app, and it is really called Santa Fe Margarita Trail. I don't know if you can see it, but it will locate me, and it shows that I'm by the Four Seasons right now, and it says what type of margarita to order. And then I can show it on a map. Boop. And it shows me all the margaritas in Santa Fe. How cool is that?
Whew, 7,000 feet, kicks up those cocktails.
We've had one margarita. I'm not sure how many more stops we're gonna have, but
It's the first one.
Good.
Yeah, we're gonna hop on the bikes finally and head into town. We've got a list of places to stop. I have a feeling we're not gonna check all of them out.
We're on the rooftop of La Fonda, and it is in downtown Santa Fe, which is our #2 stop on the Margarita Tour. We're having amazing margaritas, chips and guacamole, and a great view of downtown Santa Fe. Highly recommend drinks at La Fonda.
This is the Mana Margarita. Delicious.
Oh, mana.
Yes, they really know how to make the margaritas here. I'm really liking this margarita tour.
How about that ride in, though?
Oh, whew, Jesus, that ride-in was insane. Guys, it's a little windy out here today, and it's also 7,000 feet, so I can barely breathe. There's Coco. Good thing we had our helmets.
The bike ride said it was only supposed to be 10 miles, and maybe it was just 10 miles, but super aggressive. I would say maybe no bike next time.
Fortunately, this one's not that exciting. It's the same exact margarita, but a different view. We are at the Bell Tower La Fonda Hotel. So
Same location, different bar,
different view.
Same margarita.
Still delicious margarita. Take a look at the view though. This is what we're looking at. Our #3 stop was another highly recommended called the Pink Adobe. So
Technically, it could be number 4 because it is our 4th stop,
that's true.
3rd location.
Good location, yes.
There you go.
And there's a rainstorm coming in. You can see some ominous clouds back there. We're really hoping we don't get wet because all we have is our bikes. So
Like a 30-minute ride ahead of us. So
Yeah.
fuel up, maybe another margarita.
oh,
Maybe.
definitely another margarita.
Good, okay.
I don't mean to talk bad about a place, but that was significantly average.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, the best cocktail, the best margarita, we're just going to have to show you guys how to make it.
All of those margaritas were delicious, but our favorite margarita is the one that we make right at home, and so can you. It's super simple. All you need is tahini, agave, lime juice, and Casamigos Blanco. Okay, so to make our perfect margarita, place a little bit of lime juice right on the rim of the glass. Salt the rim with some nice tahini spicy salt. I'm gonna put 2 ounces of this Casamigos Blanco into the shaker. Then I do 1 ounce of lime juice. Top it off with 1 ounce of agave. Goes right in. I'm putting an ice cube inside, and now it's time to shake it. Pour it over ice. And there you have it. That's our favorite Casamigos margarita recipe. Chin chin. So I'd say yesterday's Margarita Trail was a great success. I don't think we wrapped up the day because we were a little tipsy.
A little bit. It's okay.
But now we're on a different trail, huffing and puffing because Santa Fe is at 7,000 feet of altitude.
Yeah.
So we are just outside of our resort on the Camino Encantado trail, which is about like 3 miles out and back. But we are huffing and puffing.
We haven't even really done much. Maybe it's margaritas, maybe it's the altitude.
Maybe it's Maybelline.
I don't know. It's one or the other, but maybe it's a combination of the two.
It's nice to be outside though. It's like
It is
perfect
good.
weather here.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
I think we made the right choice going to Santa Fe, right? Say yes.
Yeah.
So we are out on our hike, and I was just reading a little document about, what to be wary of on the trail. Thought maybe like a rattlesnake or 2, but it says there's also coyotes, bobcats, mountain lions, bears, and then snakes. So hopefully we don't see any of them on our hike. Four Seasons Adventure Team organized a great hike for us at Rio and Medea Falls, which is about a 4-mile out and back hike, and you end at this beautiful waterfall. And if you want to keep going, you can, and there are more waterfalls and more pools that you can go into. But it is a beautiful hike, and it's totally different than the terrain at the Four Seasons Encantado, and we're only about 10 minutes from the resort. But it's more of like an alpine forest and feels almost like Yosemite National Park. So you have ponderosa trees, you have a little river running through it, and then it ends at waterfalls. It's picture perfect.
So tonight we are heading to a spot, a little hot, called the Local Market, Local Village, and allegedly this is where all the locals hang out. Hence the name. So we've also been told this is the place for the best margarita. Let's hope it is. Check it out.
Ooh, thank you. Margarita time. We're back.
So first
Impressions?
First impressions, this place is really cool. It definitely is understated from the outside.
Yeah.
As soon as you walk in, you realize this is something special. This is where all the locals come.
And supposedly they have the best margs in town, which is no small feat because there are over 45 margarita places in Santa Fe. A margarita a day keeps the doctor away. That's like the Santa Fe slogan, right?
I'd say this is pretty good. Pretty
I think it's good.
So